A judge in New York has ruled against former President Donald Trump in his 2021 lawsuit accusing New York Times reporters of a conspiracy to obtain his tax records. The lawsuit claimed that the newspaper sought out Trump's niece, Mary Trump, and persuaded her to smuggle the records out of her attorney's office. The lawsuit has been thrown out by Robert Reed, a New York Supreme Court justice, who said that Trump's claims fail as a matter of constitutional law, which allows reporters to engage in legal and ordinary newsgathering. The judge's ruling is an important precedent that reaffirms the press's right to engage in routine newsgathering to obtain information of vital importance to the public. The New York Times' 2018 Pulitzer-winning stories relied on information from Mary Trump to cast doubt on the former president's claims that he was a self-made millionaire, showing that he inherited hundreds of millions through dubious tax schemes. The series also revealed a history of tax avoidance by the former president. Charlie Statlander, a spokesperson for the Times, said that the newspaper is pleased with the judge's decision. The ruling reaffirms that the press is protected when it engages in routine newsgathering to obtain information of vital importance to the public. Trump's lawyer, Alina Habba, said in a statement that they will weigh their options and continue to vigorously fight on his behalf. Subscribe for more content like this. This is not the first time that the former president has sued the New York Times. Last year, he also sued the newspaper, claiming defamation and seeking $475 million in damages. In 2020, his re-election campaign also sued the New York Times and the Washington Post over opinion pieces linking him to Russian interference in the election. The cases against each newspaper were dismissed. The ruling in the case against the New York Times is a significant victory for the press and for the public's right to know. It underscores the importance of a free and independent press in holding those in power accountable and shining a light on matters of public interest. The ruling also sends a message to those who seek to use the courts to silence the press that their efforts will not succeed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for authenticity.